What's up guys, welcome back to Finance Button. In this video I want to show you how exactly you can trade with a demo account, and right now I'm using an application called IG Trading, and it is also accessible on a Play Store. So the reason as to why I recorded this video is to show you can trade. You can also trade with a demo account. So if you can switch through different accounts, so I'm in a demo account, I can switch to the live account, then I press stop trading. Since I submitted in my ID credentials and they are being verified, so I decided to also open up a demo account so that I can trade as my information is being verified. So the main reason is to show you how and why you need to trade with this application. The application is available on Play Store. Like I said, it is called IG Trading Account. So without further ado, and I chose the spot gold right here, gold. So right now it is 16 hours by the time I open this position, and yeah, I'm doing pretty good. So the profits and loss, it is $760.40, the current 3324.90, and the stop loss is the main reason, 338.38. so that is, well, pretty good. Subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.